This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance is advised.
Hello, Philippines!
And hello, world!
Welcome to our show. Stay legal,
Stay ethical.
the legal talk.
Nandito na ang inyong kapartner sa Aspetong Legal. Kapartner Tom at kapartner Dian.
O ano po ba, partner? Bigat ang ating mga guest ngayon.
Uy, nakaka-excite naman yan.
Oo, partner. Yung isang guest natin ngayon, siya ay isang dean, professor, at lawyer sa isang sikat na university.
Anong university yan?
Pali University, partner.
Balita ko, marami yung nakakapasa ha.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Siya ay nagtuturo sa isang law school for almost 10 years, partner.
Bigatin talaga, partner.
Oo, partner. Is an expert of legal ethics and constitutional law. Huwag na tayo magpatupik-tupik na, partner. Ipakilala na natin ang ating guest ngayon.
Sige.
O, si Professor, Lawyer, Attorney, Romel Bericio.
Hindi naman magpapahuli ang ating next guest, partner.
Talaga ba, partner?
Dahil alam mo ba, noong 2004, he is the bar top notcher.
Wow, bongga.
Talagang bongga. And he's been in the public service for 5 years as a public prosecutor.
Talaga ba?
And he's currently the assistant associate at the GAM Associates. So without further ado, let's all welcome the youngest bachelor, Attorney Manilard Fritz Gam.
Magandang gabi, kapartner Dian at kapartner Tom. At sa ating guwapong panyero, magandang gabi po, panyero. At sa ating mga tagapanood at tagapakinig, good evening.
Magandang gabi din sa iyo, Attorney Gam.
Magandang gabi naman po, partner Tom at saka partner Dian. Saka magandang gabi po sa aking katabing gwapong Attorney Bericio dahil kilala siya sa buong Pilipinas. At magandang gabi naman po sa ating mga tagapanood yung gabi.
Dumako naman tayo, partner, sa paksa natin ngayong gabi.
Alam mo ba na i-excite talaga ako sa mga kasong itatampok natin ngayong gabi?
Oo, partner. Sa mga tuwid, ito yung tinatawag natin na fiduciary-client relationship o mas kilala sa tawag na lawyer-client relationship.
Oo, tama ka dyan. At ano nga ba itong fiduciary relationship na mas lalo natin mauunawaan sa pag-usad ng ating palabas kasama ang ating mga panauning pangtagal sa aspetong legal?
Oo, partner. Paano ka ba ito nagsisimula at paano ka ba ito nagtatapos?
Okay, ano pang hinihintay natin?
Tawagin na natin ang ating panauhin.
Maria Feliz Macabate.
Miss Macabar, ano ba ang matutulong ng aming programa sa iyo?
Meron po kasi ako isang problema legal at nangangailangan ko na isang opinion ng isang eksperto sa larangan ito. So, ito po yung sitwasyon. Yung asawa ko po kasi is na-involve po siya sa isang aksidente at namatay. So, parang gusto ko po sana, I want to sue the company for damages po. So, yun po yung problema ko po is hindi ko po afford na kumuha ng isang abogado. But there was this one lawyer who agreed to pay the expenses or retainer's fee, but on the condition that he shall get the 33% of the award by the court. So, tanong ko po, kung pwede po ba ang ganito arrangement po? Kung pwede po ba ito?
Tanungin natin dyan kapartner Dayan sa aspetong legal ang ating eksperto, si Professor Bericio, sa kanyang kinakaharap na problema sa problem areas in legal ethics.
Dean Bericio, ano nga bang sinasabi ng ating batas patungkol sa problema ng Miss Macabate?
Partner Dian at partner Tom, ang probisyong legal ay may mga panuntunan at pangatasan na sinusunod at ito po ay ang tinatawag na Code of Professional Responsibility. The code establishes norms of conduct and ethical standards for all lawyers, including those in the government service, to observe in their professional, official, and even in their private capacities. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? The code is binding upon all lawyers, and failure to live up to any of its provision is simply a ground for disciplinary action. Sa katanungan po ni Ms. Piles, ang kanyang asawa ay namatay sa aksidente at balak niya magsampa laban sa bus company for damages. Ngunit wala siyang pambayad sa abogado. Lumapit siya sa isang abogado at napagkasunduan nila, wala siyang babayarang retainer's fee o anumang gastusin sa kondisyong may bahagi 33%. Tama ba? Ang abogado, pag nakakuha sila ng award sa korte, ito ba ay naayon o bali may permiso? Unang-una, partner Diane at partner Tom, ito po ay isang kasunduan o kontrata sa kanilang dalawa. The contract is valid between them as long as such contract is not contrary to law, morals, public order, or public policy. Sa aking pananaw, wala naman pong batas na pinalabag. Therefore, it is valid and permissible. Under the Code of Professional Responsibility, specifically Rule 16.03 of Canon 16 and Section 37 of Rule 138 of the Revised Rules of Court, it states that a lawyer is entitled for an attorney's client. Ano po to? A lawyer shall deliver the funds and property of his clients with due or upon demand. However, he shall have again over the funds and may apply so much thereof as may be necessary to satisfy his local fees and disbursements, giving notice promptly thereafter to his client. He shall also have a lien to the same extent on all judgment and executions he has secured for his client as provided for the rules of court. Therefore, it is the right of a lawyer to hold the client's property or money until payment has been made for a legal services rendered. In general, a lien is simply a security or interest to ensure that payment will be made. Further, the provision assumes that the client agrees with the lawyer as to the amount of attorney's fees and as to the application of the client's fund to pay his local fees and disbursement, in which case he may deduct what is due him and remit the balance to his client with full disclosure. Of course, it needs client consent. Otherwise, lawyers has no authority and should return the money to his client without prejudice to his filing a case to recover unsatisfied fees. Ngunit, what if hindi niya ibigay yung sobra upon demand? Yun ang negative na side. Generally, failure to return client's money upon demand gives presumption that your attorney has misappropriated for his own use to the prejudice of the client and in violation, of course, of the trust reposed in him. This release can file a disbarment case in court against her lawyer for violation of Rule 16.01 of the Code of Professional Responsibility, which states that a lawyer shall account for client funds. The lawyer holds such money or property of his client in trust and is under obligation to make a proper accounting. His failure to make an accounting or to return the money if the purpose for which the money is intended has failed. Of course, it will constitute blatant disregard of the provisions under Rule 16.01. So her lawyer can also be charged of violating Rule 16.02, of course, under the Code of Professional Responsibility, which states that a lawyer shall not commingle client's funds. So a lawyer shall keep the funds of his client separate, of course, it should be separate, and apart from his own and those of others kept by him. So keeping funds of his client separate and apart from his own, should not use client's money for personal purposes without consent. He should report promptly the money of his client that has come into his possession. So simply, an attorney's lien is not simply an excuse for non-revelation of accounting. The principle behind is to prevent the lawyer from taking advantage of his influence of the client or to simply avoid acquiring a financial interest in the outcome of the case. So yun po ang aking may bibigay na payo sa katanungang legal ni Ms. Release. So Ms. Release, sana po ay nabigyan mo special po ang iyong mga kasagutan.
Opo, attorney. Maraming salamat po dahil po nabigyan niyo po ng sagot at lahat ng
Dumako naman tayo partner sa ating Tokatok Legal! Mula sa ating mga suking televiewers na nagpadala ng kanilang mensahe sa ating social media account,
Mula kay Gadil_1010@gmail.com.
ayon sa kanya, as na charging fees, yung kanyang abogado daw, nag-charge ng 10,000 pesos ka partner.
Laki naman yan.
Oo partner, for filing fees daw, pertaining ka complaint, ipad to the court. Oh my God, partner. Tapos, bigla niya na lang nalaman na 1,000 pesos lang ang kanyang in-spend.
Pwede ba niyang ma-charge for misconduct as a member of the Philippine Bar?
Yan ay malalaman natin, partner, sa ating abogadong si Atty. Gam.
Magandang gabi ulit sa inyong partner Tom sa pag-partner yan. Sa aking kasagutan, to put your lawyer in default as a rule, demand is needed. In your case, Mr. Gadil, you must demand a balance in return to put him in default. If he fails to do so, it is the time that you can charge him for misconduct. Under Rule 16.01 of the Code of Professional Responsibility, provides that a lawyer shall account for all money or property collected for or from the client. Money entrusted to a lawyer for specific purpose such as filing fee but actually paid only less than what he asked must immediately return to the client of the demand. So also on Rule 16.03 of the same code states that a lawyer shall deliver the funds and property of his client when due or upon demand. However, he shall have a lien over the funds and may apply so much thereof as may be desired to satisfy his local fees and disbursements, giving notice promptly thereafter to his client. He shall also have a lien to the same extent on all judgment and executions he has secured for his client provided for the Yun lang po ang aking
Naway nabigyan namin ng solusyon na ibinahagi ng ating netizen.
Na si Mr. Gadil sa kanyang social media account.
O partner, sa ating pagbabalik, mapapag-usapan natin ang duty of the lawyer to the court. Ano nga ba ito?
Tama! Yan at marami pang iba sa pagbabalik ng
The Legal Talk! Stay legal!
Stay ethical.
And there's your beautiful baby.
Any day now.
Really? You're eating Doritos? He's eating Doritos on my ultrasound. Do you see what I have to do?
I know.
Give me that.
Babalik,
Dito sa ating programang
The Legal Talk! O partner, pag-usapan naman natin yung duty of a lawyer to the court.
Pati naman din yung mga duties ng isang lawyer sa kanyang kliyente.
Oo, partner.
Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tawagin na natin ang ating panghuling bisita,
Miss
Miss
Kimberly
Kimberly
Amascual.
Amascual. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Miss Amascual. So ano yung maidudulog mo dito sa ating programa?
So, meron akong gustong hingin ng opinion sa ating mga magagalang na mga abogado. So, ito yung sitwasyon. Kung ako ay tumistigo sa isang kaso na alam ko at alam ng lawyer ko na hindi yung totoo, katapos ay ang mga testigo ko ay binigyan ng credence at tinanggap ng korte at nang dahil doon nanalo kami. So, kung gano'n naman din yun, under the Code of Professional Responsibility, what are the obligations and what are the obligations of the lawyer to the court and as to the client?
Partner, mukhang mahigap ata yung kanyang problema, no?
Pero mas mauunawaan natin ang kanilang sitwasyon sa pamamagitan ng mga opinyon at legal advice na may bibigay sa atin ng ating mga panauing pangdangan. Pero unahin muna natin si Attorney Manny Lloyd Gab.
Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo. Nandito na naman po tayo. Ka-partner Tom at ka-partner Dayan. Saka magandang gabi sa inyo, Kimberly at Aspan. Napakagandang katanungan po yung dinulog dito sa programa ito. There's a strong interest involved in requiring lawyers who, as officers of the court, participate in the dispensation of justice to behave at all times in a manner consistent with truth and honor. The common caricature that lawyers, by and large, do not feel compelled to speak the truth and to act honestly should not become a common reality. To this end, as a lawyer, I should not violate, or the lawyer should not violate, the lawyer's oath. Do no falsehood nor consent to the doing of any court. Under the Code of Responsibility, Professional Responsibility, Canon 10, a lawyer owes candor, fairness, and good faith to the court. Rule 10.01, a lawyer shall not do any falsehood nor consent to the doing of any in court, nor shall he mislead or allow the court to mislead by any artifice.
In addition, ka-partner Dayan, pakinggan naman natin kung anong masasabi ng ating Dean, Professor Veresio.
Once again, good evening, partner Tom at partner Dayan, at magandang gabi, Miss Kimberly. Partner Dayan at partner Tom, naisabi ko na po kanina sa ating unang bisita at uulitin ko po na ang propesyong legal ay may mga panuntunan at responsibilidad na sinusunod. Ang ating pangalawang bisita na si Miss Kimberly ay may mga katanungan kung ano ang obligasyon ng isang abogado sa korte at sa kanyang kliyente. Sinabi niya, during the course of cross-examination, your client had testified to events and circumstances which you personally know to be untrue. If the testimony was given credence and accepted as facts by the court, of course, he and her lawyer will win. Ay naku po, partner Dayan at partner Tom. Napakarami pong obligasyon at responsibilidad ang ating mga abogado sa korte at sa kanyang kliyente. Subalit sa ikli ng ating oras, tatlo po ang aking may bibigay na payo at ano po ito. Under the Code of Professional Responsibility, nakasad doon sa Rule 10.01, Canon 10 of the Code of Professional Responsibility, ang obligasyon ng abogado sa korte. At ito po ay nakasaad na a lawyer shall not do any falsehood nor consent to the doing of any court, nor shall he mislead or allow the court to be misled by any artifice. At ito po ay binigyan din ng ating magiting na abogado, Panyero Manny Lloyd Gam. At dadagdagan ko na lamang po ang obligasyon naman po ng isang abogado sa kanyang kliyente. Under the Code of Professional Responsibility, specifically Rule 12.06 of Canon 12, nakasad din doon po that a lawyer shall not knowingly assist a witness to misrepresent himself or to impersonate others. Mayroon din pong nakasaad under Rule 19.02 of the same Canon, Canon 19 of the Code of Professional Responsibility, and of course it is in accordance with the rules of court. At ano po yun? A lawyer who has received information that his client has, in the course of representation, perpetuated a fraud upon a person, and tribunal shall promptly call upon his client to rectify the same, and failing to follow will allow to terminate the attorney-client relationship in accordance with the rules of court.
Kay Miss Amascual, naway nabigyan namin ng solusyon ng itinampok mong suliranin sa aming programa. Maraming salamat.
Opo, salamat ha.
At bago tayo magtapos dito sa ating programa, ay kunan muna natin ng mga panghuling mensahe ang ating mga panahon panglahat pagdangal. Mauna tayo kay Dean Beresio.
Hindi kinagagalak at lubos kong pagpasasalamat sa ating mga tagapanood at tagapakinig sa programang ito. At maraming salamat din po sa ating dalawang bisita. Naway nabigyan natin ng solusyon ng kanilang mga problema. At maraming salamat din po, Partner Diana at Partner Tom, sa inyong pag-anyaya dito sa amin na magpagbigay ng payong legal. Subalit po, ibig kong ibigyang diin, ito po ay aking opinion lamang at nakabase lamang po sa ibinigay na sitwasyon ng ating mga bisita. Gusto ko rin pong ipaalala at pabatid sa ating mga tagapanood at mga tagapakinig na kung sila man ay may mga problema, maaaring man ito ay personal o parte sa ating lipunan, na kung ito ay mabibigyan pa ng solusyon sa pamamaraang rekonsilasyon, huwag agad-agad silang umisip at magabla sa korte. Maraming salamat po.
Attorney Gam, meron ka pa po bang idadagdag sa mga mensahe ni Dean Beresio?
Muli, ako yung papasalamat dahil sa pag-imbita sa akin dito sa program nito. Ako pasalamat sa bubutihing kapartner Tom at saka kapartner Dayan. At lalong-lalo na po sa mga tagapanood kayong gabi. Naway, marami kayong natutunan at napulot ang aral ng gabi. Maraming salamat po.
At dyan nagtatapos ang aming usaping legal. Sa aming mga televiewers, naway nabigyan kayo namin ng magandang aral.
At gusto po namin pasalamatan ng aming mga sponsors, lalong-lalo na ang Gira Productions, especially Nelbert, Ronald, and Mark. Maraming salamat po.
At dito sa Creative Arts Studio,
Muli, ako po ang inyong kapartner, Diana Campos.
At ako rin po ang inyong kapartner TomLaus.
Na nagpapaalala,
Stay legal,
stay ethical,
the legal talk. Stay legal, Stay legal,
stay ethical.
the legal talk.
Hello, Politics! Hello, Politics! Hello, Politics!
And hello, world.
Welcome to our show! Stay legal! Alam mo ba, partner? Excited ako sa ating mga host ngayon. O alam mo ba, partner? Bigat ang ating mga guest ngayon.
Uy, sino sila? Uy, partner. Uy, yung next guest natin, hindi magpapalit pa. Yung next partner natin.
Ano pa mo?
Ayaw magpa-distract.
Miss Makabar, ano ka ba? Miss Makabar, ano ka ba Miss Makabar, anong problema? Miss Makabar, anong problema aming naitutulong sa iyo?
Yan po ang maaaring kasunduan sa
Bigyan namin ng solusyon ang ibinahayag. Bigyan namin ng solusyon ang ibinahagi ng ating
Netizen.
party sa ating lipunan o kaya
At saka doon po naman kay Asad dumapo sa sana'y marami kayong natutunan sa aming
sa ating mga televiewers, naway
Tatapos. Muli, ako po ang inyong kapartner.
sa partner Dayan, stay legal,
Stay ethical.
the legal show.
Stay legal, stay ethical.
Ano lang po, Alpati?